Good morning, we're here at Nashua Community College. We're getting ready to award Jose his Snap-on tool set that he needs for his degree program here at Nashua Community College. We're very excited to be joined by the Granite Foundation. Through partnerships like this is how we make dreams come true.
We're happy that Jose can get a set of tools today through a scholarship, tools that are necessary to complete the program and have a career in the automotive field.
I'm the president of the Granite Foundation, and it is our goal to support very good students at the community college system of New Hampshire and in cooperation with the New Hampshire Automobile Dealership Association.
I'd like to thank the Granite Foundation and New Hampshire Automobile Dealers Association for making it possible for Jose to continue his study in the automotive technology program. People don't realize how expensive it is, and to have foundations step up to help an individual who that is his dream, that is what he wants to do, and now they have made the impossible possible.
Hi, my name is Jose Avalos. I graduated from the automotive program at Nashua North last year, and I'm really excited to be here at the Nashua Community College, participating in the automotive program, following my passion, and I really look forward to what's to come.